How to use secret codes to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the WhatsApp application on your device. As you do that, if you want to hide the particular chat, you can just make a long press on the chat, and at the top right corner you can see the three dotted lines. So simply select on that, and here you can see the option of lock chat. So simply select on that. So here, follow the instruction as given over here and then tap on continue. Now you need to confirm to lock your chats, and as you do that you can see the chat has been locked. Now if you want to view the locked chats, you can simply tap on over here that says locked chats. So you can simply tap on it, unlock over here, and you'll be able to see the locked chat. Now if you want to unlock this, you can just make a long press, tap on three dotted lines and unlock the chat. And confirm the passcode. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.